right, guys, this is Emmett again. This is Emmett the Alpha Builder, guys. Man, we're in episode 66. Man, we're trying to get this thing done. Some odd reason, and now I don't have all my lighting studio behind me and stuff like that, so we just kind of doing this raw today. But the weather, guys, when you're pouring concrete, it's just the strangest thing. If you pour in concrete, it's gonna rain. If you're getting ready to lay sod, it's going to be a drought. So keep that in mind when you guys are building. Now, in this episode here, man, we're just trying to, I got a couple of more things from Home Depot, guys. I really hate Home Depot. Well, cost-wise, probably a whole lot better, but I went over there to pick up something and deliver to the site. I've already called. We should have the guys on site right now. The mechanical guys are supposed to be showing up today. They're going to put their stuff in. Guys, once you get the final grade in, you can have your mechanical guy to go ahead and drop his units. He can put his pads down and put his unit in. So we got the final grade. I was supposed to pour concrete tomorrow, but it's going to be delayed until next week. The ground needs about 2 or 3 days to dry out before you start putting a skid steer. Because if you don't do that, guys, it's going to be a sloppy mess over there on your site. Also, you want to, this is probably not a bad idea because we can go ahead and, I did an 811 line locate so that we can run all our underground utilities. I've already called in for the power. I've called for the gas. And so we can, hopefully those guys can get their stuff in this week. The electrician is not going to show back up until we get everything else done, for the most part. At this point, he needs to have, I think they're going to make him have covers on all his stuff before they would do a power release. And so we're going to run that underground, stick that stuff out, and then before we can connect that meter, he has to get another inspection off. So that's where we at, guys. Still trying to get this thing knocked out, man. And, the longer you stay here, man, the more stuff, the more time it takes, the more money it costs me. So we'll get it done, guys. Once again, I appreciate you guys for being a member. You guys like, share, subscribe. Well, you guys already subscribed because you guys are joined members. Well, I'm going to put this one right here out for everybody. So if you want to, guys, this right here is what my members look like. Enjoy, guys. You guys have a good one. All right, guys, I think I'm doing my thing here. So we're going to try something a little different here. Like I said, I got this thing on me. And I don't know what it is about. Me and concrete. When I have made a decision to pour concrete, somehow it figures out a way to rain and mess up my pour. Me and one of my friend, Mike, we joke about this all the time, guys. So if I told him I want to pour concrete tomorrow, and he said, so you the one that caused this rain to come in. All right, let's do this right here. So this right here is guys, I made a whole bunch of trips to Home Depot, man. It's probably about my 20th trip to Home Depot. Dealing with Home Depot is always good and bad. I don't think they're gonna be able to work this. You need about 2 days for this thing to dry out. But one person I got coming in here, man, I hate when they track this house up, man. It just really irritates me. I got the HVAC contractor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready for him. He's gonna come over here and do his thing. So I can go ahead and unlock everything. Make sure that he can get in. And these guys don't come back and say, well, we couldn't get in. I had somebody at my other job site. He said he couldn't get in. God damn it. So it'd be good to go ahead and open this stuff up where they can get in. This lockbox right here. 1, don't really have a lot of stuff in the other job site. That's a potential problem. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unlock everything. Sometimes you gotta do things, man. Everything's gotta be damn near look like it was already unlocked. You can't leave nothing for these guys' imagination. I'm also going to, the vent hood is in here. What the hell is this? Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back up just in case. Let's see. All right, so I'm just gonna get everything set up for these guys. The electrician says he doesn't, so we got your dishwasher, and this right here is a vent hood, guys. So I'm gonna get this bad boy out of here. I'm gonna put it up. Put this bad boy up here to let the guy know this is I can take this right here back. So this I'm gonna take back. But I'm gonna put this right here. Vent hood. Yeah, I'm gonna put these lights down here, man, in case they want to get up and walk up. And they gonna fit in here. Make sure I get everything it's supposed to go. This guy is gonna go right here. I'm gonna unlock everything. So go ahead and unlock this door. I want nobody to have no questions about nothing. Got that guy. Hit all this. What is this right here? Oh. So I've already. So I got this guy. This. I don't like these guys that have to think about nothing. When they start thinking too much, they figure out a way to mess things up. So I got that guy there. So that bowl right there is gonna get cut out for that. And these guys gotta come back. This is something I forgot. We did a change order for this little butler's pantry right here. Forgot to cut this right here out. I forgot to tell the guy about it. I'm gonna go down here. Those are the treads. Trying to make sure I got everything from my other guy. My trim carpenter. Let me go ahead and get all this stuff open up down here. I got to send that back. Let's see if we can open this up. There we go. There we go right there. Just in case. That stuff right there got to go back. We're gonna keep this right here for the deck guy. And let me put this out here so he can remember this. Yeah, man. But these guys gotta look for stuff, man. They're probably not gonna look too hard for it. So I'm gonna sit this right here. So I tell you what, boy, what is this? Like somebody's toe hook got broke. All right. Hopefully everybody do their thing today, man. Geez, man, I'm pedaling around here too long. Make sure I got that in there. All right. So guys, you know, yeah, I was talking about the Home Depot stuff, man, but you know something? You know, there's good and bad in this whole thing with the Home Depot thing. Got some light fixtures stuff in here that they had to put up. They're good and bad. You know, Home Depot stuff is gonna be cheaper. But you gotta deal with those guys getting it delivered. I like to kind of come out, check everything out. Try to look at where my water's running and how my water's moving. Those are some of the things that I'm looking at. The downspouts put on, so I can kind of see what everything is doing right now, which is where you want to, you know. It looks like I'm gonna have to. Looks like, man, I'm gonna have to burn some stuff. I tell you what. Jeez. I don't like to just throw things away, man. Tell you what, I get like stuff like this. I find me a little drawer somewhere. Let it accumulate. All right. Thank you. He hadn't gotten this. He hadn't gotten that little thing yet. I like to hold on to these right here, guys. I don't think nobody need anything in here. Yeah, they don't need anything, so I'm gonna lock this door up. Well, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna lock it up, man. The dishwasher ain't going nowhere. I can see him on the camera anyway. They kind of got that black thing going on around here. All right, guys. So that's what you want to do, man. This right here is for that accent wall. I just kind of put that to the side. Boy, I tell you, I'm gonna have to. We're not gonna be able to. Yeah, he's not gonna be able to work this, man. This rain, I tell you what, man, it just won't work with me. So here we go. Well, it's good and wet, but the water is moving. This is what you want to see. I want to see that water moving. Getting around the house and going somewhere else. All right, hopefully this right here works. You guys have a good one.